With support from the Australian Federal Government's Department of Agriculture's Innovation Program, over the last 2 years we've been looking at seeding systems and how seed-soil contact can be improved with new technology. We know that seed-soil contact is extremely important in the viable germination of seed and getting a good crop stand up and vigorous early on in the season. There's many different devices for getting seed to soil contact, and historically through our evolution into no-till farming we've used the knife point and press wheel type of system. Effectively looked at 3 technologies: our traditional press wheel system, and basically what a press wheel does is after the seed has been deposited in the bottom of the furrow, it rolls over the top of the soil surface, compacting all the ground underneath it and therefore achieving seed-soil contact. Newer systems that are being developed don't work like that. Effectively they get the seed-soil contact by running a wheel or a firmer in the bottom of the furrow and then bringing loose dirt by breaking the sidewall over the top of the seed. What that really means in terms of what the seed is going to experience is that with the press wheel system, the seed has to work through compacted ground. With the in-furrow wheel and the seed firmer system, the seed has to work through uncompacted ground. Now, a seed has a finite amount of energy in it, and if it's got to expend a lot of energy to get out of the ground, it A, might not get out of the ground at all, or B, when it gets out of the ground and starts to photosynthesize, it might lack vigour. So we wanted to test that. So what we did was basically tried three seeding systems. And what we found was that the in-furrow systems, both the in-furrow wheel and the in-furrow seed firmer, actually had faster emergence, with the in-furrow wheel being the best, but significantly lagging behind those was the press wheel system. In terms of early vigour, and we measured that through seedling growth, the in-furrow wheel again had the best early vigour, the seed firmer was a little bit behind it, and then the traditional press wheel system had the least amount of vigour. And I guess if we think about that, the amount of energy that's expended to press through that compacted ground compared to non-compacted ground, that probably makes sense that it's going to take longer and use more energy to do that. One thing we also looked at was the durability of the systems, and knife point press wheel systems have been around for a long time. We know they're quite durable. What we found was with respect to the in-furrow wheel and the seed firmer was that the in-furrow wheel was significantly more durable. It gave us more acres with less wear. Now if we look at a brand new seed firmer here, this one's new, and you can see the shape of that, and basically this one's going in the furrow and dragging along the bottom. So we have a wear on this surface. This is a seed firmer after 600 hectares, and you can see it's significantly worn. And after 1,600 hectares, this one's nigh on breaking basically. And in a couple of our trials, we actually after 1,000 hectares or so, these started to break. So in terms of a seeding system that will give both early emergence, early vigour and durability, our trial work probably at this stage would recommend that an in-furrow press wheel is certainly worth consideration. So I think from this project we've been able to see that in-furrow seed soil contact devices give us faster and better emergence and increased vigour compared to a press wheel system. However, the in-furrow wheels seem to be better in terms of durability than the seed firmers are in our soil conditions.